Most development setups constrain you to a single file and a tight token limit. We are going to bypass those boundaries by building a completely free, infinite context development rig directly inside your editor. This setup uses a true agentic workflow. It reads your entire repository, writes execution plans, and edits multiple files in parallel, waiting for your final approval before it touches the disk. This build relies on a specific roster of models available in July 2026, Gemini 3.6 Flash, GLM 5.2, and Qwen 2.5 Coder. These community-driven open models handle advanced multi-step reasoning. Because you provide your own API keys, you access frontier-level performance without paying the fixed monthly fees associated with premium subscriptions. Combining these specific models with the right extensions gives a standard text editor the capabilities of a full, zero-cost development team. To start, install the Cline and OpenCode extensions in VS Code. These sidebars are the primary interface for your agents. You can maximize daily request limits by linking a free GitHub Copilot account, creating a fallback for lighter tasks to preserve primary models. Your primary intelligence comes from external API keys. You can generate these at no cost from Google AI Studio and OpenRouter, both of which maintain active free tiers for these specific models. Inside the extension configuration, set Gemini 3.6 Flash as your primary model. Its 1 million token context window and native function calling make it the most efficient choice for orchestrating the overall project structure. Avoid using older, popular free endpoints that appear in 2025 tutorials. Many of those tiers, including older deepseek variants, are now defunct or moved to paid-only models as of mid-2026. Because these extensions are open source, you can audit system prompts and tool call schemas yourself. Routing your own keys ensures you pay the raw API rate while maintaining full visibility into what the agent is sending to the model provider. Standard AI assistants wait for you to paste code into a chat box. In an agentic setup, the AI actively scans your local directory to interpret the relationship between every file in the workspace. This allows the agent to act. It writes code, initiates terminal commands, and runs tests in a continuous loop to verify its own work. To secure this process, you must configure the JSON shell whitelist in your OpenCode settings. This flowchart shows how the agent's commands are filtered. If a command isn't on that list, the system blocks it from running. Your responsibility shifts from writing syntax to reviewing the agent's proposed flight path. You see every diff and every command before it hits your local file system. If the whitelist permissions are missing or incorrect, the agent will trigger terminal execution errors. Properly authorizing these commands is essential for the automated loop to function. Authorizing these specific terminal and file system permissions enables the AI to move beyond conversation and start managing your codebase directly. Every AI model is restricted by a context window. As the session continues, the model's active memory fills up with previous code and instructions. Once you hit this limit, the model begins to hallucinate or simply stops responding, which can crash the entire development workflow. To bypass this hardware limit, we use a manual protocol called the save state handoff. When the memory bar reaches 90%, command the agent to generate a follow-up.md file. This condensed snapshot records the build status and remaining tasks. Open a fresh session with a secondary agent like GLM 5.2 to reset token usage back to 0. Point the new agent at the follow-up.md file. It reads the condensed summary to regain full project awareness without reprocessing the entire original codebase. Chaining sessions through these handoff files effectively creates an infinite context window, removing the final barrier to generating large, complex applications. We have established all three pillars of the rig: the extension HUD, the free API arsenal, and the safe state handoff protocol. This structural map shows the complete July 2026 architecture. You are running the world's most capable models without a monthly bill or a credit card. These elements combine to support continuous, multi-step agent workflows that stay focused on the objective across long development sessions. You are ready to begin your first autonomous build. Describe your project in the sidebar and approve the first set of proposed edits. Mastering this specific combination of agentic extensions and context handoffs deploys a fully functioning development team directly onto your local machine.